Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, to my channels, guys. So my baby is getting hard time to make bowel movement, even though they giving him asthma every 3 days, I guess. He just broke her other day. He just poop a little bit. Sensya na kayo, wala akong suot kasi. He just poop a little bit, and then supposed to be, they say that because they putting him asthma, he's supposed to be have like at least a wet diarrhea, but he did only, I think, how many is that, four big piece. And when I see him getting to the box, really hard time. Sorry. Hard time to go poop again. So I'm putting this red, this one, the rubber one, with warm water. Put in his tummy. So because this is the one is helpful too. And then I also massaging him. He let me massage, guys. He let me massage there. He loved it because I think she's not feeling well with his tummy. Probably we're gonna put him again in the bed tomorrow, I guess tomorrow, because she did a poop yesterday. She did poop yesterday, but not today. She's trying to go poop, but he can't poop. Move a little bit, baby. There you go. That's it, darling. That's it. He let me massage. Look, he let me massage. I can feel the poop in here. He doesn't wanna come out. He's stuck in his tummy. I can even feel in the ass. Did she have poop there? Nothing, really nothing. But in the tummy is hard, right, Daddy? So I'm trying to give him a, massage his tummy, help pushing a little bit. So if you guys you have he's 13 years old. They said it's a part of his old. She's getting old, but for me she's young. For me it's young. My baby is still young. Yeah, guys. Yeah. He loved me doing that one, massaging. She like it. See? Put him. He loved it so much. So guys, if you have your you have a cat, baby, for baby like this, like this, don't give up on him, guys, because even though the doctor, guys, is telling him he is a miracle baby, because when we took him to the bed, I'm gonna repeat it again for you guys. When I took him to the bed, she said he's not gonna make it no more. Look at that, after how many months already, darling, no? And he said he is a miracle baby. Yeah, he is miracle baby. This is a this is a second life of him, my daddy. You know what? We got same age here in the US. This we came here. We came together. So don't leave me yet, darling, okay? We came here, so we have 10 years already here in the US. Darling, no? You and me, I don't. What's wrong? She's getting mad. Why are you getting mad? Okay, we're gonna go clean that later on, okay? Okay, massage. I'm gonna go massage. Massage the tummy, massage. Hopefully you're gonna go surprise mommy, huh? Daddy? You're gonna go surprise? You're gonna surprise mommy, huh? So guys, don't give up on your poor baby, guys. It's because this one, he's not eating before. He's not eating. He's not drinking water. And then she went through to paralyze their half body. And I'm the one taking care of him because the vet is giving up on him already. So I taken care of him in the house. Look what happened. He is still like, he's still with mommy. Right? So you have to do it. Oh, why you smart? No, you have to do it. You have to make poop. Okay? You have to make poop. Mommy love you so much. Okay? Ay, now she's mad. She's mad now. Okay, okay, okay. Enough. You done? Galit na siya. Ewan ko, ba't nangangalmot na to? Okay, go. Like earlier, guys. Like earlier. Because we're putting him a liquid for her, for his, hair. His. He is. Okay? Ba yung suot? Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha? Guys, if you are new on my channel, guys, if you are on my new channel, guys, please hit the likes, subscribes, and then hit the notification bell, and share it, comment below and share it, guys, if you can. Really appreciate it. So you can share to the people that if you have a if you have like this for baby, and so they so teaching them how to, what you call that, remedy to help. Because before, guys, when I did this before like this, I do massage him when she get and then the poop come out, guys. So I trying this again, guys. So don't give up on your babies, like that. Don't give up on your babies, especially like kind of this sweet. No, she's mad already. He's mad. Okay, daddy, it's fine. Okay, love you. Okay, rest now. Sige, guys, magre-rest na daw siya, guys. Nagagalit na siya, guys. Thank you, guys. And then sana may natutunan kayong lesson today, guys, for my baby Maria. Thank you so much, guys. Please pray for my baby, guys, so she can have a long life. I wanna stay here longer with me, please. He's only 13 years old, and he has a kidney disease and also diabetic. That's why I always inject him here the fluid. 1 liter, guys. I show you, guys. Kung nakikita niyo po yung nakasabit doon sa ayun po, hindi niyo makita yun. Nakikita niyo po yung nakasabit doon na yun, yung oxygen, doon. Yun po yung ina-inject namin sa kanya. 1 liter every every day po ina-inject. Na na nga ako, guys, kasi yung dito niya kasi, guys, kasi kung minsan medyo skinny na yung dito niya. Pag pinupok ko siya, guys, siyang ganun, hindi ko napapansin na lumalagpas pala yung needle sa other skin. So lumalabas yung tubig instead pasok, lumalabas siya. So you have to be careful when you do it, inject something to your kitten, because you're gonna poke again and again and over, and she doesn't like that one. And also, guys, after that one I put in that one, I have to inject her another for insulin post diabetic, guys. So even though I have another one, and then I have to do it, because I love him so much. I always watch him. Right, daddy, look at daddy, tail niya gumagalaw. Okay, daddy, rest for now. Okay, rest. Mami can drink coffee. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you're guys safe, and then you guys are awesome, and take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself, and then alagaan niyo po yung mga baby niyo, guys. Nagbibigay po yan ng mga unconditional love and your BFF forever. Nandyan lang sila parati, hindi kayo iiwan. This one is so sweet. This is so sweet. Even though before I got married, she get jealous when the other cat, my husband, bring another cat in the house. I was in Philippines before, and I don't know, she got aggressive, and then she's trying to attack the little one, but we're trying to be friend with him. She's trying to attack the little one, and I put it higher like this on my hand. Oh my god, you know what she did? She bit me in here. He's stuck in here. This one, he's stuck. I got a lot of in here. All her tooth is stuck in here, and then her foot, you know. But it's okay. It's okay. She just, you know, she is not used to it. With babies around him. That's why she got jealous and she got aggressive. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and then share. And kitang kilikili natin, no? Diyos ko po, kakaya. Guys, huwag nyo nang alalahanin yung kilikili natin. Ha? Bye-bye! Thank you!